Hi, welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we'll be making quick and easy tuna pot pie. Okay, now to start with our ingredients, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped bell pepper, green bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour, 14 ounces of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of chopped dill, freshly chopped dill I should say, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and then we're going to need 1.5 cups of frozen vegetables, 10.5 ounces of cream and broccoli, 12 ounces of solid white tuna packed in water, and you have to drain the water off. And we also have a tablespoon of cream or milk that we're going to put on the crust, that we're going to just kind of brush over the crust. Okay, so let's start with getting our butter into the pot. Okay, now on low medium heat we're going to melt our butter. Okay, now we're going to add to our butter our onion and our bell pepper. And we're going to let this soften up. I'm also going to add a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of celery salt, a pinch of onion powder, and a pinch of black pepper. And we're just going to let that cook. Okay, now that our onion and bell pepper is pretty tender, we're going to add our flour, and we're going to mix this in well so we don't have any lumps. And we're going to let the flour cook for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add our vegetable broth. I'm going to add our dill and cilantro. And we're going to add our mixed vegetables. And let this simmer till it almost starts to come to a boil. Okay, I've let this boil for 10 minutes because I want all the flavors to kind of incorporate. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our cream of broccoli and our tuna. And I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to chop it up a little bit, mix it in there. We're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes and then get ready to start our dough. Okay, I've turned off the filling for the pot pie. Now we're going to get our dough rolled out. And I'm making it in a small, it's to serve about 1 or 2 persons. But the filling I have will fill 2 or more of these. So you can make one big one, or you can do whatever you would like. kind of be careful that you don't tear your dough so that the innards don't leak on the outside. Okay, now we're going to ladle our mixture. Roll out of the pie dough. Okay. Now we're going to put this on top, and then we're going to trim around. We just want to pinch the sides together and kind of seal it. Okay, now we're going to make a few holes so that the filling doesn't overflow on the sides. And we're going to take our cream, brush on top. Some people use a beaten egg. I like cream. It makes the crust kind of flaky. Okay, now we're going to put this on a baking dish and let it bake on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Or until the crust becomes golden brown. Okay, now that our tuna pot pie is finished, we're going to go ahead and take a taste. Crust is nice and flaky. Hot. Very good. Very good flavors. It's really hot, but the crust is really good. It's flaky. Filling has a lot of flavor, so you will definitely enjoy this. So thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.